Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to continue our previous video of personal pronouns, and today we are going to do forms of the personal pronouns. Now we will be dealing with forms, okay? So there are three forms. Okay, but before starting this process, I want to recapitulate what we have done in our previous video because this is also related to that part only. So, in the personal pronoun video that is of yesterday, I have told you that there are things which you should know. I have started my yesterday's video with the quite introduction of pronoun and personal pronoun I have already told you. So, firstly I have taken two examples in my previous video, that is like Ram is absent because Ram is ill. But I have told you that we should not repeat same nouns in one sentence, okay? So we will not be going to use repetition of nouns. So we consider the sentence as Ram is absent because he is ill. We replace Ram with he. Okay. What we have done, let me write that in brief. Ram is absent because Ram is ill. We have done this sentence. I am just doing recapitulation so that you can understand more correctly. So Ram is absent because Ram is ill. But I have told you that there is repetition of noun. Now what is repetition? Repetition means repeating of something. So repetition यहाँ पे nouns का हो रहा है. But we will be not considering this in our sentences in English. So instead of Ram, we used to add pronouns. Now what is pronouns? Pronouns are the nouns. So pronouns are the words that is used instead of a noun. Noun की जगह पे use होने वाले words. Like this is noun. हम यहाँ पे repetition तो नहीं करेंगे. So this is noun. So we will be replacing this noun with another thing, that is he, because Ram is male. So we consider that as he. And if here will be any girl, suppose Sonalika. So Sonalika is absent because Sonalika is ill. So Sonalika is a girl. Then we will be writing here she. But here we will be writing she. Means Ram. The noun will be same. But we will not be repeating that noun again. So Ram is absent because he is ill. So here what we have done? We have just replaced Ram with he. And in our secondly we have done, I have told you the definition of noun, that the words that are used instead of noun. This is the definition of noun. So then I have told you what is personal nouns, that is I, we, you, they, he, she, it. They all are personal nouns. Means I, we, you, they, he, she, it. So these are personal nouns. I have told you examples also, like I am young, we are young, you are young. I have told you similar examples. And then secondly I have told you three persons, कि वो तीन पर्सन के साथ कंसीडर की जाती हैं. सो पर्सनल प्रोनाउंस कंसीडर करे जाते हैं. दैट इज फर्स्ट द पर्सन स्पीकिंग. ओके, सो फर्स्ट इज द पर्सन स्पीकिंग. ओके, एंड सेकेंड इज पर्सन स्पोकन टू. पर्सन स्पोकन टू मतलब किससे बात कर रहा है. एंड थर्ड इज द पर्सन स्पोकन ऑफ. पर्सन स्पोकन ऑफ मतलब किसके बारे में बात की जा रही है. लाइक फर्स्ट इज पर्सन स्पीकिंग, सेकेंड इज पर्सन स्पोकन टू, थर्ड इज पर्सन स्पोकन ऑफ. हियर दिस इज टू एंड दिस इज ऑफ. सो रिमेंबर दिस. Like there are two persons. Suppose he is Ram and he is Shyam. Okay, so these two persons are talking about some another person, that is Hari. That is Hari. So these are two persons, Ram and Shyam, that are talking about Hari. means Ram is the first person, Shyam is the second person, and Hari is the third person. Now how we have classified these as first, second and third person? Because Ram जो है वो श्याम से बात कर रहा है, means Ram is speaking, means first person is completed, not completed but first condition means first point is satisfied, that is person speaking, means Ram is speaking. And second point is person spoken to, किससे बात हो रही है? श्याम से बात हो रही है, so second point भी consider हो गया, person spoken to. Now the third point is person spoken of, किसके बारे में बात की जा रही है? That is of Hari, so Hari भी consider हो गया, satisfy हो गया. So these are, that is called first person, second person and third person. So first, second, third person, I think you should have no doubt against this. So I have already told you that I and we is used for first person. Here I think I should write here only, I and we is used for first person. Second person के लिए हम you use करते हैं, and I have mentioned one point that you is also used as singular as well as plural. Plural के साथ भी use हो सकता है. I and we is for first person, second person के लिए you, and what about third? Third person के लिए है he, she and they. Okay, he, she and they. Let me write that also. He, she, they. Okay, means it also, it will also, I am not writing, but it is also here only in the third person. So I hope you understand these all points. This is the concept that we have done in our previous video. I have briefly told you that previous video only, in this video only, in this video. So first person is I, we, second person is you, third person is he, she, they or it. Okay, so today we are going to do forms of the personal pronouns. Now first you should know some basic concepts before doing this. Firstly, I have told you that what is the concept of singular and plural. So let's recapitulate that also. Means I am writing singular and here I am writing plural. Now what is singular and what is plural? I have told you in my videos itself about these two also. I haven't made some particular video on this concept. I have just told you in many videos, and in between those videos I have told you this concept, singular and plural. So singular I मतलब एक, plural I एक से ज़्यादा. I have told you this. So let me take one example. आपको बस ये याद रखना, singular मतलब एक ही, plural मतलब more than one, एक से ज़्यादा. So singular and plural means I am writing here one and here more than one. Like Ram is playing. Okay, Ram is playing is the sentence, and there you can write Ram and Shyam are playing. Now I have used are because are is used for plural, and I have also told you how to form plurals in my previous video, so you can check out that also. So singular मतलब एक, plural मतलब more than one. Ram is playing, Ram and Shyam are playing. We can include more than one also, means more than two also, means एक से ज़्यादा कितने भी. That will be under plural, and here singular. So I hope you understand the concept of singular, plural also. But now this concept is clear. Let's move on to the next part for understanding this particular point. So there are three forms. Okay, three forms. Today we are going to do forms of the personal pronouns. So there are three forms. Three forms are there. Okay, three forms are there. Now what are these three forms? First I will be just telling you in brief. That is, first is, now यहाँ पे जो है वो मेरे पास three words हैं, means three forms हैं. How many forms are there of personal pronouns? There are three forms. So three forms है मेरे पास. But in modern means in the present time we consider these as वन, सेकेंड एंड थर्ड को हम जो नाम दिए गए हैं वो हैं, फर्स्ट इज सब्जेक्टिव, ओके, दैट इज सब्जेक्टिव. सेकेंड इज possessive, and third is objective. So these are three forms that in the modern English grammar has included, but in not in modern but in old times the names are not this. The names are, I am just writing in brackets, that is nominative. We call subjective as nominative. Okay, possessive ही है. Possessive is same as possessive. This is same, that is possessive only. And the third is objective. Objective is classified as accusative. Okay, accusative. So these are three forms. This is the present names and this is the old names. पहले हमें ये नाम दिए जाते थे. अगर हमें पढ़ाया जाए कि थ्री फॉर्म्स ऑफ पर्सनल प्रोनाउंस क्या हैं, then nominative, possessive and accusative. But and today we consider this as subjective, possessive and objective. But अगर एग्जाम में या कहीं पे भी अगर आपसे बोला जाए नॉमिनेटिव क्या है, सो आपको पता होना चाहिए कि वो हम सब्जेक्टिव को ही कह रहे हैं, पोजेसिव को तो पोजेसिव ही है, पोजेसिव के साथ कोई डाउट नहीं. ऑब्जेक्टिव को एक्यूसेटिव भी कह सकते हैं. आई हैव जस्ट टोल्ड यू दीज नेम ऑल्सो बिकॉज कहीं कहीं जगह अगर ये नाम पूछे गए तो आप कंफ्यूज ना हो. दीज आर सिमिलर टू दिस, so you should know these names, so I have told you. You can note down this. So I am just erasing this and I am making changes in this only, and you can understand that also, that what we are going to do next. So I have told you what is the concept of singular and plural. Let me erase this first and then I will be telling you completely and perfectly. So today means now we will be going to do about first person. I have told you the three persons. First person जो बात कर रहा है, second जिससे बात करी जा रही है, और third जिसके बारे में बात की जा रही है. So now I will be telling you about first person. Means first person. So first person में you should know, first I am writing subjective. Let me make changes first. हमें सिंगुलर और प्लूरल इसमें करना होगा कि सिंगुलर क्या है और प्लूरल क्या है. आई हैव टोल्ड यू व्हाट इज सिंगुलर, एक, और प्लूरल एक से ज़्यादा. सो लेट मी राइट दैट फर्स्ट. सिंगुलर and this is plural. So this is the, just you can make table also. Now let's write words, that is subjective is there, means subjective. So I am making this box also. The lines are not straight, don't worry, but you should understand the main concept under this. Okay, so subjective, possessive, let me make these box also, possessive, and the third one is objective. The marker is not working perfectly. Objective. So these are the three forms. I have told you the three forms. So these are three forms. Here we just have to do, I will be just telling you कि हमें I, we, you, they फर्स्ट में आएगा, सेकंड में आएगा. वैसे मैंने आपको कल बताया था in my previous video of this only. I have told you कि I क्या है, प्लूरल है या सिंगुलर है, we क्या है, प्लूरल है या सिंगुलर है. I मैंने सिंगुलर बताया होगा. सो सिंगुलर में हम लिखने जा रहे हैं. सो सब्जेक्टिव में जो है वो सिंगुलर है I. फर्स्ट पर्सन में, दिस इज वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट फर्स्ट पर्सन. रिमेंबर दिस, फर्स्ट पर्सन. सो दिस इज I will be under singular. And what will be in plural? We. Means we. And what about possessive? Like my. and mine. Okay, and what about in plural? Our and ours. Our and ours. And objective में me and us. So these are some this is the table for the first person, where subjective will be I and plural will be we, possessive will be my, mine, and plural will be our, ours. Objective will be me and objective in plural will be us. Now how is this possible? We have to take an example also to satisfy this. Like लेट्स टेक सब्जेक्टिव का एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. पोजेसिव और ऑब्जेक्टिव भी सिमिलरली वैसे ही होंगे. सो आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग एग्जाम्पल ऑफ सब्जेक्टिव ओनली. सो सब्जेक्टिव में हम अगर लिखें, फर्स्ट नोट डाउन दिस टेबल एंड एग्जाम्पल लें हम. एग्जाम्पल कैन बी, you can take example like you can take example with I as a subject. Subjective, I have told you the concept of subject predicate also in my previous video. Subject जिसके बारे में बात हो रही है, right? Ram is a good boy means Ram is a subject and उसको क्या बता रहा है, उसको क्या represent हो रहा है उस लाइन में, राम के बारे में, is a good boy. So is a good boy is a predicate. So here I is used as a subject, means I am intelligent. Okay, let me write this correctly. So I am intelligent. This can be one sentence related to subjective. I is used here, but this is in singular. In singular. What about plural? Now plural में हमने यूज करना है सब्जेक्ट में we. Like we are intelligent. So this is in plural. So I just want to tell you this. Related to means similarly possessive and objective भी ऐसे ही होंगे. I have just told you example of subjective where I have taken singular as I and plural as we. I मतलब मैं, we मतलब हम. My, mine, our, ours, me, us. This all come under possessive and objective. So I am intelligent means singular and we are intelligent means plural. So before starting this, I have just started. Subjective is used for subject. Okay, this is mainly used for subjects, and possessive is used for ownership and objective is used for objects. Okay, so now I think I haven't told you this before and I'm just telling you at this time where I have told you first person already. So मैं ऐसे ही लिख देती हूँ उसको साइड में कि ये यूज किस लिए होते हैं. दैट इज फॉर, दिस इज बेसिकली फॉर सब्जेक्ट. पोजेसिव जो है वो ओनरशिप के लिए. ओके, ओनरशिप. एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव जो है वो ऑब्जेक्ट्स के लिए. तो आप नाम से, सब्जेक्टिव और ऑब्जेक्टिव का तो आप नाम से पहचान लोगे. दैट विल यूज फॉर सब्जेक्टिव, दैट इज फॉर सब्जेक्ट एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव इज फॉर ऑब्जेक्टिव. नाउ पोजेसिव जो है वो ओनरशिप के लिए यूज होता है. ओनरशिप लाइक माई, माइन, मैं, मेरा, आर, आर्स, हमारा, हमारा. ओके, सो माई, माइन. ऑब्जेक्टिव में मी मतलब मेरे लिए, अस मतलब हमारे लिए. So this all for objects, this is for ownership and subject is for subject. That is why I have told you I have taken example of subjective. That is why I have taken I as subject. Means हम, मैंने आपको बताया था what is subject and what is predicate. You can check in my previous video. I have told in between. So singular में I am intelligent and in plural you can change as we are intelligent. So I hope you understand this. First person. So let's move on to the second person. This is also similar. Okay, so I'm just making changes in this only. So I have made the second person table. This is not clearly and properly I have made lines. This is just for brief, just for teaching you. So you can note down, this is as properly. I'm not making this properly, but this is the main motive that you have to write in your notebooks also. So singular and plural. So I have told you three forms, that is subjective, possessive and objective. Subjective is used for subjects, possessive for ownership and objective for objects. Okay, so this is used for subjects. सो सब्जेक्ट्स के लिए, ओनरशिप के लिए ना ऑब्जेक्ट्स के लिए. बट इन सेकेंड पर्सन में हमने क्या पढ़ा था, यू वी हैव डन. सो सब्जेक्टिव में सिंगुलर प्लूरल में मैंने आपको एक पॉइंट मेंशन कराया था पिछली वीडियो में, जो मैंने पॉइंट अभी इस वीडियो में भी बोला, दैट यू इज यूज्ड बोथ इन सिंगुलर एज वेल एज प्लूरल. सो सिंगुलर और प्लूरल में, सब्जेक्टिव में तो यू जो है वो कॉमन ही रहेगा, दैट विल बी यू ओनली. एंड इन पोजेसिव में ओनरशिप मतलब योर एंड योर्स. ओके, योर एंड योर्स. सो दिस विल बी अंडर ओनरशिप. ओ सॉरी, हाँ यस, ओनरशिप, दैट इज पोजेसिव. एंड इन ऑब्जेक्टिव मीन्स ऑब्जेक्ट्स में जो यूज होगा दैट इज यू. ओके, सो सिंगुलर सेकेंड पर्सन में सब्जेक्टिव और ऑब्जेक्टिव में यू ही यूज होगा, बस पोजेसिव में योर एंड योर्स यूज होगा. नाउ लेट्स टेक एग्जांपल दैट यू कैन राइट एग्जांपल लाइक यू लाइक कुकिंग, और यू कैन राइट यू लाइक टीचिंग, you like anything. You can write any example. Let's take you like cooking. Just example, you like cooking. This is just an example. So you like cooking. Here this is in singular because you is used only. This is singular. Let's mention that also. So this is singular, and the next example that I am telling you, that is of plural. So you like cooking, तुम्हें cooking अच्छी लगती है. And if I will write you are, you all know you is used as plural में तो है, तो plural में हम are use करते हैं. तो you are all great cooks. So here this sentence is in plural form. So plural. So singular में सेकेंड पर्सन में सब्जेक्टिव और ऑब्जेक्टिव विल बी यू, एंड पोजेसिव में योर योर्स यूज होगा. एग्जाम्पल मैंने आपको एक सिंगुलर का बता दिया, दैट इज यू लाइक कुकिंग, मतलब तुम्हें कुकिंग अच्छी लगती है सिंगुलर में. एंड इन प्लूरल मीन्स एक से ज़्यादा, मीन्स यू आर ऑल ग्रेट कुक्स, जो तुम सारे जो हैं बहुत अच्छे कुक्स हो. मीन्स यू मेड फूड वेरी करेक्टली एंड डिलीशियस, दैट इज नोन एज कुक्स इफ यू डोंट नो द मीनिंग. And let's move on to the third person. Let me make first changes and then I will be telling you. So I have just made third person table, that is masculine, feminine and neuter will be coming under singular and all genders come under plural. So subjective, possessive, objective मैंने लिख रखा है. And now first you should know what is masculine, what is feminine and what is neuter. I have made this video also. You can check out my playlist, you can check out my videos where I have made video named as gender something. So gender नाम से मैंने एक वीडियो बनाई है, so you can check out that where you can learn what is masculine, what is feminine, what is neuter. Here I am just telling you briefly, that is masculine is used for male. Okay, आप एम से ही पहचान जाओगे जब भी masculine लिखा हुआ मतलब male, means the person is male, person is boy, okay, man. एंड फेमिनाइन में मतलब फीमेल, सो एफ इज फॉर फीमेल. एंड न्यूटर मीन्स नीदर मेल नॉर फीमेल, मतलब ना तो वो मेल है ना वो फीमेल है, मीन्स न्यूटर है. ऑल जेंडर मतलब सारे जेंडर्स. सो मस्कुलिन, फेमिनाइन एंड न्यूटर कमिंग अंडर सिंगुलर. ओके, एंड आई हैव टोल्ड यू सब्जेक्टिव इज यूज्ड फॉर सब्जेक्ट्स. आई हैवंट रिटन दैट इन हियर. एंड possessive is for ownership and objective is for objects. So masculine के अंदर मतलब male, so you all know male के अंदर क्या आता है, he. and possessive में आता है his, and objective में आता है him. Now in my previous videos also I used to tell you that male के साथ आता है he, his and him. I think I have told you in my previous video, or in my videos I have told you this, but I haven't told you about the main concept. So this is the concept where हम सब्जेक्ट के साथ ही लगाते हैं, ओनरशिप के साथ हिज लगाते हैं, और ऑब्जेक्टिव के साथ हिम लगाते हैं. ओके, सो आई एम राइटिंग हियर हिम, एंड दिस इज विथ शी, मतलब फेमिनाइन मीन्स फीमेल. आई हैव टोल्ड यू शी लगता है एंड हर लगता है, बताया है ना मैंने, हर. तो समटाइम्स वी यूज टू राइट हर्स ऑल्सो, हर्स, बट मेन इज हर. सो हर, और यू कैन राइट हर्स, बट ये बहुत कॉमन नहीं है, हर ही होता है वैसे. एंड इन दी ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑल्सो वी यूज टू राइट हर. एंड न्यूटर मीन्स नीदर मेल नॉर फीमेल. सो न्यूटर में क्या आएगा? न्यूटर विल बी इट, इट्स और इट मीन्स इट मतलब ऑब्जेक्ट. सो मेनली न्यूटर में ऑब्जेक्ट्स टाइप आएंगे, क्योंकि ना वो मेल है ना वो फीमेल है. मीन्स he is not living, nothing is living in neuter. So it, its, and it again. So this is a table. These all tables you should learn. All genders मतलब सारे genders जिसमें cover हो रहे हैं. If I will be telling you some examples like they are playing means they means उसमें male objects मीन्स उसमें ऑब्जेक्ट्स भी आते हैं, बट ऑब्जेक्ट्स प्ले नहीं करते. सो मेल एंड फीमेल आते हैं, मीन्स जेंडर इज कमिंग, ऑल जेंडर्स. ओके, सो दे इज ऑल्सो will be coming under all genders. Theirs, you have heard these names before also, before teaching from me. So let me write this clearly. And them also, in the object we used to write them, and in possessive their and theirs. So their and theirs. So this is the table for third person, where we have used subjective he in masculine, feminine में हमने she यूज़ किया है, न्यूटर में हमने it यूज़ किया, all gender के साथ हमने they यूज़ किया, possessive में his, her, hers, its, theirs, objective में him, her, its, them. So this is the table for this third person. You should learn these all tables so that you can be you can say that you will be very confident about this particular personal pronoun. So you should learn these three tables. These are very simple, and I have told you in very simple way, and you can learn this and you can score good marks if this will come under exam also. वैसे आपको आना चाहिए इंग्लिश के लिए हमें कहाँ हिम यूज़ करना है, कहाँ हमें हिज यूज़ करना है, किसके लिए यूज़ होता है. लाइक मस्कुलिन, किसी को तो ये भी नहीं पता कि ये मेल के लिए यूज़ होता है कि ये फीमेल के लिए. सो हियर दिस डाउट ऑल्सो कवर्स. सो this I want to tell you in this particular video. I thought that it should be short and you should understand this properly, and I have told you my previous video also in brief. So you can write down these all tables and learn these, and you should know where to use this and where to use that. And this is not finished. This is not finished yet. Okay, forms of the personal noun abhi bhi bacha hai. This is not finished yet. I will be telling you more about this in my next video. So stay tuned, and if you like it, do like, share, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for all the new updates for my new videos. Thank you.